This video will demonstrate how to import a calibration file into Motic image devices. To begin with, make sure you're using the right application. It's called Motic Image Devices. It will say Motic Live Imaging Module at the top. We need to start by selecting the correct video device. So select Motic 3.0 MP and click Open. That'll bring up a live view of what the microscope is seeing. Right now I've got a fiber on the microscope. Click the gears for settings, and then click Calibration Table. Click Import. Find the file that you downloaded. It's called Calibration Essentials. Click Open. Select one of the rows in this table and click OK. So now we have calibrated the software to the microscope, and any measurements we make will be accurate. It's important that if you're using the 4x lens, you have 4x selected here and also here. And then any measurements we make will be accurate for that lens. If we switch lenses to, say, the 10x lens, make sure you switch this menu to 10x and this menu to 10x, and then measurements will be accurate using this lens.